Yo, what is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. So I haven't been making videos in a little while. Reason for that being is, one, I didn't have too much content to make. Two, I actually sold the F10, guys. Some of you may know already. If you follow me on Instagram, I give a couple of hints. I didn't straight up say I sold it, but I give a couple of hints as to me selling it. And a couple of you guys actually hit me up asking if I actually did sell it and why and what car I'm getting. Nobody knows what car I'm getting yet, but today is the day, guys, that we're picking up the car. So as you guys can read from the title, I'm picking up my dream car. Some of you actually asked this before, not specifically because I just sold my car, but you guys just have asked it before. So if you actually asked me this before and I told you and you're watching this video now, you probably have a good idea of what I'm picking up today. But yeah, we're gonna go check it out today, guys. First things first though, I want to give a huge thank you to all the new subscribers. Welcome to the channel, guys. Thank you for subscribing. Even though I haven't been making videos recently, I've been getting a ton of subscribers and I just can't be any more thankful, guys. I really appreciate it. And for all the old subscribers, thank you for sticking around. Welcome back to the channel. We'll be having a lot more content once again. And yeah, guys, I just want to say thank you so much, guys. It's really appreciated, and all you guys' support does not go unnoticed. And yeah, I'm super excited. So the car actually is like an hour away from here. I've been talking to this guy for a little while about the car. It seems like everything's good, so we're gonna go ahead and check it out. Look at it. Make sure everything is good. Make sure the car's driving good. Nothing's wrong with it, and hopefully, fingers crossed, guys, we'll be picking up this car. And yeah, so stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys, please excuse the wind. There's a little bit of wind here, but hopefully the camera doesn't pick it up too much. It is the second day. You guys already know it's not an Inline Motorsports video unless we have 2 days in it. So yesterday we went to go pick it up. Well, we went to go check it out. We did all the paperwork, we paid, we got it, but it was like super dark out. So I didn't want to film like super dark, so I waited. And yeah, it's the next day, guys. I waited till it was a little bit more cool because it's super hot during the day. And I have the car here behind me. I just want to say real quick, guys, I really appreciate all you guys' support. I know I said in the beginning of the video, but even though I haven't been uploading recently, I've still been getting a ton of comments, a ton of support, and a ton of subscribers. So I really appreciate it. But yeah, guys, I'm almost positive nobody at all has guessed or will guess what car I'm about to get or what car I have here next to me. I don't think anybody really thought about me getting this car after selling the F10 535. But yeah, so I'm gonna just go ahead and show you guys real quick. This is my 2015 BMW M5 competition package, guys. So as you guys can see in the little cinematic that I just did, hopefully it came out good. First time doing that. But yeah, guys, this has always been my dream car. I've always dreamt of owning an M5, and this is such a beautiful car. When I got the F10 535i, I literally fell in love with the body style, and I thought, what better thing to do than get an F10 M5. So this thing has the S63 engine, so it's packing power, guys, and it has the awesome body style that all of you guys subscribe for. But yeah, guys, this thing looks so good. I'm super excited, guys. So I was hoping to get a stock car so I can fix it up for you guys, but this doesn't have too much. It is a competition package. It comes with the stage 1 Dynon tune, which I most likely will be getting rid of because I want to go either with MHD if they release a tune soon, or if not, I'll be going with boot mode because I heard pretty good things about it, and yeah, I want to try it out. It does have upgraded charge pipes. It does have a Turner Motorsports, I think it's like axle back exhaust, so it's pretty much just the mufflers almost. And then besides that, I think that's pretty much it, guys. He did give it to me with catless downpipes, but yeah, I'm gonna be doing an install on those very soon, guys. But stay tuned for the videos. I'm super excited to get back into the videos. I have a lot of fun doing videos, and it's just something that I like to do. But yeah, I'm going with a little bit different like style with this car. I know I did the whole white and red. Obviously the car's not white, but I want to go with the whole blue theme. The calipers are already blue. Maybe in the future I'll end up redoing those so they can look brand new again. But yeah, I want to go with the little blue theme, so hopefully that turns out good. I'm super excited. These are wheels that I actually wanted to get for the 535, so to already have them on the F10 or on the M5 is super cool. But yeah guys, I don't want to show you guys too much of the inside because I want to do like a little review of the car and stuff. But yeah, not gonna show too much of that. But that's pretty much it guys for this video. I just want to show you guys what car I got, and yeah, I hope all you guys are really excited for what's coming. Like I said, Turner Motorsports, I think it was the Axleback exhaust. So yeah, but besides that guys, stay tuned because I might do a little vlog style video tomorrow. I'm gonna be going to the DMV tomorrow to finally register the car under my name, because it does have a Nevada title and I live in California, so I have to get that whole thing sorted out. But yeah, with all that being said guys, I hope you guys are excited for the videos that are coming. I plan on doing videos more often again like I was doing at one point, because that's just what I enjoy doing. I don't have enough content to post every day or every other day, but I'm gonna try to go back into that schedule of posting every 2 days, or like every third day I guess you can say is what I was doing. So yeah, I want to get back into that little habit and schedule. And yeah, anything you guys want to see on the car, any video recommendations, anything you guys want to see, go ahead and leave them in the comments below guys. I already have a few videos planned out.